Nigeria. My name is Aro John Obizo. But if you're joining for the first time, you're welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications so that you know when a new episode drops in. So this particular video is for all the married people in the house. Please, if you're married or about to get married, or you know someone that's about to get married or someone that is married, please listen to this so that you know whether you are in any way affected or someone is about to be affected. Now, are you aware that by virtue of the Marriage Act of Nigeria, not every marriage contracted in a church or the mosque is actually valid?
I don't want peace. I want problems always.
Calm down. I know you want to fight. Calm down. Yes, we know what God has joined together. Let no man put us under. I am not trying to put us under. Let's just be sure that you've not put us under with your own hand, or they have not put us under with their own hands. Now, by virtue of Section 21 of the Marriage Act, first of all, as regards the venue of a marriage must be contracted in a licensed place of worship or before the registrar of marriage at the marriage registry. Now, churches and mosques fall in under places of worship.
I'm not here speaking loud.
Now, emphasis on the word licensed place of worship. Are you hearing? Licensed place of worship. It means that your church or your mosque where you're about to contract your marriage, or where you contracted your marriage, or where the marriage is about to go on or go down in, is actually licensed.
It is true.
Some of you will think that license just means registration. Apart from registration with CAC, you have to make sure that under the relevant laws, particularly with the Federal Ministry of Interior, your church is licensed.
Oh my God.
Yes, you have to make sure that your church is licensed with the relevant ministry, which is usually the Ministry of Interior. Now, for your church to get the license, it has to actually do the necessary things, which includes filling the necessary forms, making necessary application, provide necessary documents before the ministry will now approve and license your church as a recognized and licensed place of worship. So the law is clear. Section 21 is clear. Licensed place of worship. That is one condition. If you are not sure that your church is a licensed place of worship, you better go to the registry and do your marriage. Then you come and do your church part. Now, there have been several cases, and the court has held several times that your marriage is not in a licensed place of worship or in a church that is licensed or in a mosque that is licensed. It is at best, for the case of a church, it is at best a church blessing.
Let's go.
Yes. So I'm not shaking the table too much. I'm just saying what the law says. Calm down. Don't let your blood not be your pressure not be going up. Now that is one condition. Licensed place of worship. Now, apart from the fact that it's in a licensed place of worship, you must make sure that the minister or the particular celebrant, the pastor or the priest, is the recognized priest or pastor or minister of that particular church or that particular place of worship. What am I saying? Now, you may be tempted. Maybe you want to do your wedding in a Catholic church. And for example, maybe the girl's father or the man's father is a pastor in within. Yes, now, within church, possibly is a licensed place of worship. And the Catholic church is a licensed place of worship. The pastor from within cannot come to the Catholic church to celebrate the mass or the wedding celebration and all that. He can't do it because he's not a recognized minister of that church. So one, the first thing is what? It must be a licensed place of worship. Secondly, it must be a recognized minister of that licensed place of worship. Then the law also says that you must ensure that, yes, if you're doing your marriage at a particular licensed place of worship, that it is between the period of 8 in the morning and 6 in the evening. It is not a witchcraft meeting, so don't come and be fixing your wedding in the night by 10 o'clock or 10 p.m., 11 p.m.
Yes, what do you mean by that?
It was between the period of 8 to 6. Just read Section 21 of the Marriage Act and you will see what I am saying. So I hope I did not shake the table or break the legs completely. In case you are on this table, you can go to the registry to actually validate your marriage. Other than that, I don't have anything to say. This is what the law says and I've said my own. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're yet to subscribe. This is Royal Tori, and don't forget to look out for new episodes as they drop. Thank you and for watching.